Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's dinner is just whatever I have on hand. I just did some digging in the refrigerator and freezer. In this skillet is 1 tablespoon of margarine, and then I have some minced garlic. And then in my freezer, I had some of these Tyson Grill and Ready chicken breast strips. They're fully cooked. And then I didn't know I found these in the back of my freezer, sliced bell pepper blend, green, red, yellow bell peppers. And I've got some Alfredo sauce. And then some spaghetti I'm going to cook. And then to go with it, I have 2 fresh bell peppers, a red one and a yellow one I'm going to chop up. Okay, I decided just to not include the rest of this red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. I'll probably put it in a salad or use it for something tomorrow. As you can see, there's plenty of bell peppers in there, combined with some of that frozen package. I didn't use all of it, but I used some of the frozen bell peppers and then part of the red and yellow bell peppers. So I'm going to let that cook. Okay, this is cooked. I'm just waiting for the water to boil so I can cook the spaghetti. And then I'm going to put the Alfredo sauce with the spaghetti noodles and then put the chicken and bell peppers on top. Okay, I set aside for my youngest son, because he's allergic to cow's milk, some of the spaghetti noodles and then some of the chicken. So the Alfredo sauce is done. I added a little bit of salt and black pepper, and I'm going to put the chicken and bell peppers on top and serve it like that. Okay, and that's what it looks like plated up. I just put the Alfredo and spaghetti noodles together, and then the chicken and bell peppers on top. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.